Hi, I am Arindam Mallick and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic of discussion is some important codes of using pointer, and then I will explain what is double pointer or pointer to pointer. This is the two topics today we will explain. We are seeing some important codes by using pointer, then I will explain the double pointer. This is the part 31. Let's start. Today, basically, I like to show you the three programs. Write a program to test a number. Is the number is positive, negative, or equal to 0 by using pointer. Write a program to enter a character is vowel or not by using pointer. Write a program to find the biggest of the three numbers using pointer. Okay. Then, so go to the Dev C++. First, I will show you the number. We take a input a number, then we find the number is positive, negative, or equal to 0. So for hash into string.h main, on the main function we declare a one pointer variable and one is a normal variable. Okay, it's a num. Okay, it's integer data type and star in star pnum. This pnum is the name of our pointer. This is a integer pointer. Okay, now then we, as you know that how to assign the pointer, that is pointer is basically stored another variable memory address, the another address of the another variable. That's why this pnum is assigned with the ampersand num. That means the address of this num. So address of the num is stored with the pnum. So now next we now enter or you take the input of the number. Now printf enter a number, then scanf %d comma pnum. Now you ask me a question, sir, that why you told that for entering or taking the input a number use the means here what is the rule? Scanf %d ampersand number. So why you write the pnum? Because if you clearly observe, you find that this ampersand num is successfully assigned in the pnum. That means this value is copied here. So if we write the pnum or ampersand num, that both are here now same. Means same value. That means this value is stored here. Okay. So we use the pnum instead of if you would like to use the ampersand num, that is correct. But here for understanding the pointer, which is the use of pointer, that's why I like to use the instead of ampersand num, I like to use the pnum. Okay, now what is the condition? First we will check the value is greater than 0 or not. That's why until using num, as we know that what is the means of star pnum means star point means what is the pnum value? Pnum value is the just address of the memory. Is address of the num. This num variable memory address. If we use the star pnum, that means we will go to the location and find the actual value. Okay, so that means in simple way we say that the means the if we write the num greater than 0 is same as that star pnum greater than 0. Same. Because why same? Because using the star pnum we use basically to go to the location means ampersand num, what is the memory address of the num, then go find the value. That means what is the num value and the star pnum value is same. So instead of using the num, I like to use here star pnum for using the pointer. Okay, so we means same work as you done on the variable, normal variable, you done here using the pointer. That's why without using the num, we use the star pnum. Now check, if star pnum is greater than 0, if condition is true, then printf the number is positive. If not, then go to the else part. Now on else, check if star pnum is less than 0. If it is less than 0, number is negative. Or if not, if this condition is false, then go to the else part, print the number is equals to 0. Now click on execute, compile, no error in our code, click on run. Enter a number. For an example, I like to here enter the 25. Click on enter. So number is positive. Okay. Next, this a number is means a character. We will take a character from the take the input from the user. If you user entered a character and we find the character is vowel or not by using the pointer. Okay. Now for that we use the two variable. One is a pointer variable and one is a normal variable. These two are on the data type is character. That means it is a character pointer. This PCH is the character pointer. Char star PCH. This CH is data type is character. Now same we assign the address of the CH into the PCH value. That means PCH is now assigned with the value of ampersand. That means the memory address of the CH variable. Now printf enter the character. We are taking the input. Now scan a percentage C comma PCH. That means we are taking the input. Instead of the using the ampersand CH here, use the PCH as this ampersand CH or PCH is same. So instead of using the ampersand CH, we use the PCH. Okay, now this is our condition. We use the logic of how to find. What is the logic? If our character is equal to the small a, small e, small I, small o, small u, or caps A, caps E, caps I, caps O, caps U, then obviously the character is vowel. Otherwise not. That is same logic. That means if what is the means this is a logical OR operator. That means if one condition, any one condition is true, then condition hold are true. First check start PCH means what is the value of start PCH. This is the same means what is the we take the input store means CH value. Okay, same means if we write the CH here, same as the start PCH means for an example we entered as CH value as like I, for an example I. So CH at the memory address. Now PCH is assigned with the memory address of CH. Now star PCH means we will go to the memory address and find the value. So if we write here as PCH same as that of star PCH because we are go to the star PCH by using the star dereferencing operator. We are go to the memory address of the CH, find the actual value. So it's the same as like as writing here CH. So now here we using the pointer. That's why you will use the star PCH. Now check star PCH is equal to A. Okay. These are for using the character. We use the single quote. On the single quote we write the character. Now, logical OR. Check start PCH equals to E. Logical OR. Start PCH equals to I. Logical OR. Start PCH equals to small 0. Logical OR. Start PCH equals to small u. Logical OR. Start PCH equals to small capital A. Logical OR start PCH equals to capital E. Logical OR star PCH equals to cap psi. Logical OR star PCH equals to cap 0. Sorry, caps O. Logical OR star PCH equals to cap U. If any condition are true, then go to the if block print /n percentage C is vowel. That means print the start PCH value that is same as CH value. Okay, what is the value of CH? Just now PCH because we are go to the location and find the same value as the CH. If we are printing the CH or star PCH, the value is same because there is a memory address. PCH is pointing the memory address. Then we go to the memory address, we find the same value as the CH have. So we are by using pointer we are find it. So here we write the star PCH. Now if condition is false, these are not means character is not matching. Our entering character is not matching to any condition, any of this condition. This go to the else part and print the this is a not vowel. So click on execute, compile, then run. For an example, I take the Y. Enter Y is not vowel. Now click on execute again, compile, then run. Like for an example, we will take the O. O is vowel. So our code is working right. Fine. Now our next program is write a program to find the biggest of the three numbers using the pointer. Now for this, we will take the three variable n1, n2 and n3. Take the three pointer variables star p1, star p2, star p3. Now p1 is assigned with address of n1. That means ampersand. P1 is assigned with the ampersand n1. P2 is assigned with the ampersand n2. That means memory address of the n2. P3 is assigned with the ampersand n3. That means the address of the n3. Then printf enter the value of the first number. Here is a change. Why? Here I like to show you, instead of using the P1, you can also do in the normal way. That means scanf, we use the, instead of P1 means pointer, you use the ampersand N1. It's a normal way, as you know that how to take the input of variable. Same. Let's take the 3 input. Okay. Now this is the condition. If what is the, in simple way you can find, if you have a 3 number, you find that which is biggest, then what do you do? What is your logic? First you check if the first number is greater than second number, if true, and first number is greater than third number, so obviously first number is biggest. Else, in else part you do, you check the if second number is biggest than first number and second number is biggest than third number, then second number is biggest. Otherwise obviously third number is biggest. So for same, instead of writing that N1, here write the star P1. Why? Same reason, because star P1 value is same as N1. What is N1 value? For an example, you take the value N1 as 6. So N1 have the memory address. What is the value of P1? That memory address. P1 is pointing the memory address of the N1. If you just use the star P1, that means you go to the memory address, find the value, which is same as N1 value. So that's why instead of writing the N1, we use the star P1. Same for P2 and P3 also. Now compare. If star P1 is greater than star P2 ampersand, if star P1 is greater than star P, that means you compare this first value is greater than the second value, ampersand, this first value is greater than the third value, then obviously printed the largest number is star P1, that means first. Else if check the second value is greater than first value, that means star P2 is greater than star P1. What is a star P1 value? N1. That means N2, check in simple way, N2 is greater than N1 or not. For instead of N2, I write the star P2 for using the pointer. Same you do that on the N2 also, but here we use the pointer. That's why I write the star P2. Check star P2 is greater than star P1, ampersand, star P2 is greater than star P3. Just simple way we write the N2 is greater than N1, ampersand N2 is greater than N3. If that we continues to print the N2. That's why we print the star P2. Same. Otherwise, go to the else part, obviously print the star P3, means N3. Instead of N3, I write the star P3, because the value is N3 value is same as star P3 value. I will already show you, okay, on my previous video how to do this. Okay, I will not explain here, but if you are not watching my previous video, please, I request you, please watch for clearing your concept on the pointer on my part 30. Okay, so click on execute, compile, no error, run. No, okay, so enter the value of first number. For an example, first number is 5, second number is like 9, third number is like 10. So what is the largest number? Obviously, because first to compare, what is the biggest number? 10. That means the which value? Star P3. Okay, that means it is a 10. Now, okay. Next, this program I already show you on previous is a call by reference. Okay, means what is the means the reference? Address. In this function void change, we pass the int star num, that means a pointer. What is the value? Now first come here, int x equals to 100. What is the value of x? 100. Now, print the value of x like. Now call the change function, we pass the ampersand x, that means address, memory address of x. So this memory address I can store this num value. If you are print the star num, is a it's a call by reference. Okay, call by reference means passing the address here. Now, so after do the operation, we have print the star num, we find the same value here. Now, star num, now do the operation. So this is basically the call by reference, because here we are passing the memory address. This is like a pointer we use, the passing the pointer. Parameter as we take the as pointer star num. Next, again go to our slide. What is pointer to pointer, or we can say that double pointer? What do you mean by double pointer? Pointer is stored. What is pointer is storing? The memory address of the another variable. We know that. What is pointer does? Pointer is basically stored the memory address of the another variable. Same double pointer or pointer to pointer stored the value of the first, stored the memory address of the first pointer. Okay, that is also called as double pointer also. Double, that means two pointer. So the second pointer or pointer double pointer is stored the address, memory address of the first pointer. How to declare? This is a data type. First data type is declared, then star star, double star, then variable name means double pointer name. For an example, this is a type like int, data type is integer, this star star p. Okay, this star star is for the double pointer. This is a how to declare that. This is a symbol, syntax. Now, I will explain you how to work on the double pointer. Now, for an example, this is a variable is x. What is the value? For an example, the value is 10. Now, we take that as assume that the memory address of x is 1000. Okay. Now, we take the variable pointer. We take the first pointer as p. So p obviously stored the memory address of the x. That's why. What is the p value now? 1000. Now, as a pointer is also variable, it has obviously it has some memory address. For an example, we assume that this pointer variable address own address is memory address is 2000. Now, as a definition says as double pointer or pointer to pointer, this double pointer means p1 is here used as double pointer is basically stored the memory address of the first pointer. What is the memory address of the p? 2000. That means is 2000 is stored. 2000 is the value of the double pointer. So obviously p1 have this double pointer as a variable. So obviously it has some memory address. It has own memory address of the 3000. So basically, if you are print the star star p1, which will print, I will explain on using the code. So go to our dev C++. This is a code. In a main function, we take a variable a, an integer data type, value is 70. Okay. Now we declared a pointer and one double pointer. In star p is a normal pointer, okay? But star star p1, this means the double pointer. In star star p1. When you see the star star, you understand that it's a double pointer or pointer to pointer. Now p is assigned with the ampersand, that means the address of it. Now p1, what the definition says or double pointer is basically stored the memory address of the first pointer. That says p1 is assigned with the memory address, means ampersand p, the memory address of this pointer variable. So okay, this is the p1 is a double pointer here. Now printf the value of percentage d, we print the value of a, address of the a is ampersand a, value of the p we try to print, the address of the p is percentage d, means we try to print the address of the p. What is the address of the pointer variable? Then we print the star p1. Then we find the star star p1 value. Click on execute, compile, then run. This is the value of a, 70 we take. The address of the a, for an example here, though it is value changed, for an example, here we take that is the address of the a. Okay. So obviously, what is the p stored? Memory address of a, that means the same is stored as the ampersand or address of a is the same as of p. Is of this p value means address of a is a value of the p. So it's the same. Now address of p. What is the address of p? This is obviously as a pointer is a variable. Own memory address is a memory address of the first pointer. Now what is the value? What is the value of star p1? What is the value of star p1? So okay, but this is a sorry, it shows some error. in this star p1 value is wrongly show. Okay, but yes, this star p1 means you are, what is the value we are showing? Means first star p1 is go to the memory address of the variable, then next star go to the memory address and find the value. So same value is printed as 70. Go to our slide. So for an example, what is the value of star p? Star p value is again 10. Now, what is the value of star p? Star p means, we'll go to here, means for star p1. That means for star p1 we go to the address, address of the here. That means we go to the address of here 2000. Sorry, we go to the address of 2000. That means we are find here. We are go for means for star p1. For star p1, we will go to the access this memory address 2000. We will go to the find the value of 1000. For again star, we will go to this memory address and find the actual value. So obviously, the star p1 is printed as 10, or here in our code is printed as 70. Okay, this is a double pointer or pointer to pointer. Okay, on my next video I will show you that pointer on an array. What is the uses of pointer in an array? I will show you on my next video. But keep practicing and run the code because it is important. I will show you the code today. It is important, and please keep practicing because practicing is important, and pointer is very complex topic but interesting. So keep practicing. Okay, so thank you.